Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. Today, let us understand what a legal heir certificate is. A legal heir certificate is a very important document to establish the relationship between a deceased person and the legal heirs. The certificate names all the legal heirs of a deceased person. Once the death certificate is received from municipality or corporation, it is required for all the successors to apply for legal heir certificate in order to claim their right over the deceased person's properties or dues. Usually, lawyers help draft and register the legal heir certificate. So, who are considered legal heirs as per the Indian law? Spouse of the deceased, children of the deceased, that is both son and daughter, parents of the deceased, and siblings of the deceased. Let us see why a legal heir certificate is required. The certificate identifies the rightful successor who can claim the properties or assets of the deceased person. All eligible successors must have a copy of the legal heir certificate to claim their right over the deceased person's property. In addition, the certificate is necessary for the following purposes: transferring the properties to the rightful successor, claiming insurance, to receive family pension of the deceased person, to receive dues such as gratuity and provident fund from the government, receiving salary arrears if the deceased is a state or central government employee, gaining employment based on compassionate appointments. Also for property sale, purchase or registration. How to obtain a legal heir certificate? Step 1. Approach the area or taluk tahsildar or visit the city, corporation or municipality office of your respective area. Alternatively, you can obtain the certificate from District Civil Court. Step 2. Submit a signed application with the details such as the names of all the legal heirs, their relationship with the deceased, and the addresses of all the family members. Do not forget to attach the death certificate of the deceased. Step 3. An affidavit must be submitted on the stamp paper. Step 4. Revenue inspector or administrative officer will conduct an enquiry. Step 5. Once the enquiry is completed, an authorized officer will issue the legal heir certificate. It may take up to 30 days to receive the legal heir certificate. If there is an unnecessary delay in receiving the certificate, or if the officers fail to respond, then you must approach the Revenue Division Officer, RDO, or the Sub-Collector. Here is the checklist of the documents that you must prepare before submitting the application. Signed application form, identity or address proof of the applicant, death certificate of the deceased person, date of birth proof of all legal heirs, a self-undertaking affidavit, and the address proof of the deceased. To know more about legal heir certificate and how it is different from succession certificate, you must click on the link provided in the description. I hope the video was informative. Please like and share my video. Subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thank you.